Winner gets 3,000 cash. Whoever beats get 3,000 rupees cash. Free entry. Sir, now already dira. Question already dira.
No, sir.
Bro, this is footpath, dude. It is inside. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. It's a tiring day, and look at this guy. He's already so sleepy. We're waiting for AJ to come so that we can lift all this table and all peacefully, and then get the event started. And look at this guy who's sitting inside.
What's up?
Hey, fucking get up, da. Get up, ready. Get up, da. Chumma, all acting.
Sleep.
And also one more thing, good news. My pant tore. I don't want to show that. I don't want to show. I don't want to show that. I don't want to show. But yeah, it is slightly torn, and I want to just finish the event and then buy a new pant at Bonkers. Waiting for AJ. Hopefully, come soon. Fucking asshole is. Finally, who is here?
New hairstyles he's trying out. Hello guys.
Hey, how long, da? How long?
Bro, this Kakdaspura area, the traffic was there.
Kakdaspura.
Yeah, the center of the earth.
What did he say?
Center of the universe.
Shit.
Kakdaspura. That's exactly what. Exactly. Shit.
In my area, in the area of all time, there was a heavy traffic at the railway gate, so I was stuck there for like 10-15 minutes.
There was a pervert in the metro station.
And then in the metro by like 2 minutes, so a little bit I had to wait.
Okay, come. Let's go. We have to get all the stuff out. Shut the fuck up, da.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ರಸ್ತೆ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣದಿಂದ ಚಡಗೆ
So yeah,
ಒಂದನೇ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್
we have the stand, all items.
Guys,
We'll have to carry and walk, bro.
The Chinese
See, we just got it and then placed it over here. We are right opposite to the metro station. This guy dropped one, dude. The entire place was hurt. The entire place was turned.
dropper actually, so I can score.
This guy only overconfidence.
See, I'm a dropper so that I can go for freshmen and I can be in their batch also.
Guys, it started raining, so we have got the table inside the metro station, bro. And people have already seen that. You wanna play?
Yeah. Who's playing?
We'll move the table. Keep it like
Okay, we got our first opponent. Look at this guy. We're getting opponents in the metro station, bro.
He just influenced.
Don't worry about it.
He's just a normal dude,
We're
bro.
just a normal gym bro.
Hold on.
And you got a table, man. What do you expect?
Okay, this is for cash, bro.
Oh, that's supposed to be.
No. You win, you'll get.
Wow,
How much?
300.
Okay, then you have it. What's wrong?
Oh, he needs an arm wrestler.
What's your name?
You have to beat us.
What's your name?
Chetan.
Chetan. So we have Chetan first competitor versus our
Same rules. Chetan. No,
No, go.
3, 2, 1.
Let's play trial, okay?
You want that?
Yeah, trial. Go. I wanna warm up first. Go.
Strong, huh?
Try.
You want to put a top roll?
Go again.
Wait, what did he say? You want to be top roll?
He knows the technology, bro. He knows the technology.
Go again.
Ayoko top roll.
Okay, it's good. It's good.
Knuckle and wrist.
I want to see a knuckle. So this.
Where's the knuckle?
Arm wrist.
Yeah.
Where's the knuckle? Oh, okay.
That's 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh man, okay.
Strong, huh?
He's strong.
3, 2, 1.
Oi.
Yeah. Well played, bro, but actually you're strong. You have to nice top roll. I just copped you. That's the whole point here. Okay, wait. What are you going to do with 2,000 rupees to win?
I mean, I'm just participating. I don't have any experience on the money.
Go to McD, bro.
I mean,
Go to McD and have some
Or
cookies.
big muscle nutrition.
Yeah.
it's a bit too hard. Maybe I'll give it.
Let's go. Okay, it's going to give to somebody if he wins. Ready?
Oh, he's strong, grip.
Start. 3, 2, 1, go.
Stronger than the last guy. How long have you been going gym for now? Very strong.
Finish.
Not strong enough for possible. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, he lost. That's done. It's
One
done.
more.
Okay, well played, bro. Well played. Nice one.
Come on, more.
Okay, I'll play once.
Okay, fine.
Stop taking video and come participate. You're only taking videos, they're not participating.
That's fine.
Yeah.
No one's like us, bro.
Ready?
3.
He has nice grip though.
That's what I'm saying. Grip it is.
Start. You take the grip.
I mean, okay. I mean, we can both simultaneously take that. We're really good.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Strong, Arun.
Not so much, but yeah. Played, bro. Well played.
Thank you for playing, bro.
Well played.
Well played.
Come to take part. Look at him. He's huge.
You can play. It's free entry.
It's anyways free entry, bro.
Free.
You don't have to pay. It's free.
Don't have to write anything.
It's free. This guy is huge, bro. Let's go.
Means I'm weaker.
Let's go.
People understood me too much in front of Arun because he wears tight over shirts. Because he
No.
looks like a Bundy.
3,
I'm a
2,
1. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. Pin, that's a pin. Okay, fine. Try again.
Fine,
Pin again.
3,
2, 1. Okay.
Oh, this is fine.
Yeah. Why do you let him so far?
Don't press like that. Bruce giving it to him. 2, 1.
Yeah. Well played, bro. Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Well played, bro. Well played. Well played. Good try.
Oh my god, who's that really hard guy who played with them at this? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
That's actually crazy.
Oh, gangster attitude.
Yeah.
Gangster.
Let's go. Well tried. Okay, friendly match. Let's go. Come on, champ. Go.
Now some guys were commenting about when AJ versus Arun is coming.
Soon, bro. Soon. Pay-per-view. Love to play at least
10k when he is 100k that time.
200 rupees I have to pay for ticket. So yeah, rain stopped.
Hey, we'll put on Superman.
Rain stopped right now, and we're waiting for people to show
Where's the
up.
cash?
Okay.
Sure.
Don't worry,
My cash, that's why. Send no.
I'll give it to you. It's fine if I lose. I'll give it to you.
Hey.
Go. Fuck, bro.
I heard some sound.
This guy feels so strong. Ready?
Okay. 3. Hold here, bro. Hold. Okay. Ready? I don't know. Position.
It's fine. I'll give him advantage.
1. Go. Oh, with the advantage, Arun is still taking it. Oh my god, Arun, look at the camera.
Yeah,
Look at the
passionate
camera.
player, yeah.
Look at
He's
him.
going
Look
all
at
in.
him. Okay, I'm getting the pressure seeing that.
All in.
He's going all in, no?
Strong as shit, no?
Played, bro. Well played. He tried his like 200%. There's nothing left in his tank now. But yeah, well played, bro. Well played.
Very crazy. I can't hear you. 200% on the mic.
Tested seems. Even I'm not a professional man.
Let's go, bro.
Just for the vibes.
Go.
Yeah,
3.
Okay, I'll say 3, 2, 1, go. Alright.
For just
Okay, 3.
2,000 rupees cash.
You guys want to play, huh? Why? Play with each other.
Ooh.
He'll win, huh?
Go.
Really? You're admitting that?
Good, yeah, let's go. Shit, bro.
Strong.
Okay, this dude looks strong, bro.
much you bench?
He's huge also. Look at this, bro.
And you guys win or no?
How much you bench?
130, 140.
Yeah, 130 guys.
130 bench.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
For the love of the game. Come on.
Yeah.
Pin.
Strong.
No, it went below this, no?
Yeah.
If it goes below.
You should not put your whole weight on that particular.
No, bro, we know.
No, you can.
We know.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. I'll play, bro.
Is he strongest of today?
I mean, yeah, kind of. You can try him.
Me, my arm is gone.
Hand is fucked.
My energy is gone.
Yeah, it's gone. You want
My hand is cooked, bro. You want free massage? He's the one to go.
Free only for a few, bro.
30 rupees, but you have to pay 30 rupees.
If you're playing, or if you're a girl.
This guy is mad. Fuck. Let's go. Gets 2,000 rupees cash.
500 from my
free
cash
try.
is taking down.
Hey, don't. Bro, when I'm doing pant is stone, it's increasing.
Who is the banker here?
What do you mean, banker?
Who is the player? Who is the banker?
We are all players only.
Okay.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
He's strong, but unfortunately he's not strong enough.
Let's go, AJ.
You put that. Yeah.
Stop yawning, yeah, let's go. Okay. Well played. Free entry. Come on, guys, winner gets 3,000 rupees cash. You can participate. Yeah, free entry. Wanna try? Free entry. Free entry.
Bowling in general.
No, like, but like when you pay him the 150 and we pay you the 150. Like,
Big video.
We have
So we have
a
the personal
professional.
masseuse. If you guys have
Hey, no,
arm pain.
first do that.
Okay, wait. No.
You do first. Oh, shit. Only 30 rupees per massage.
Ah, hey, for your girl free, bro. Don't worry.
Start.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, wait. No. Hey, give me advantage. What is center? Hey, 80 center. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Hey, give him the center, fucking yeah.
Wait,
Hey, bro, it's not the
3,
center.
2, 1, go. We'll stop you before that.
Oh shit, let's go. Oh shit, okay. Hit us. You lost. Test you. Your job is to like, just look at the cash. Just look at the cash, that's all.
Just look at the cash.
Just look at the cash, that's all.
Netita.
If you lose it, no, I'm asking you.
Netita. First.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh fuck, she is stronger than I
Hey,
thought.
stop laying down.
I'm not lying.
Okay, you can use two hands.
No, my arm will.
No, I mean, it's not fair. It's not fair.
This is the strongest. I think it's the strongest opponent of today. It's very fucking strong, Decathlon. 3, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go, brother.
Oh, never mind. No, bro. I got him with speed, eh? Naughty.
Again, no?
Left.
Not strong.
Okay, no, but you're strong only. I'm just a bit okay, let's go. 3, 2.
3,
1.
2, 1, go. Slip is happening.
Yeah.
No, don't let your wrist go like that. Yeah.
Well played.
Oh, I know.
Okay, wait. Let it go, man.
Recording. Everyone wants to.
Full,
everyone
let's
wants
go,
to
bro.
play, everyone wants to record. What is
Cash on the line. Let's go.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shit.
He's strong, though.
Strong, huh?
Yeah.
Not strong enough.
Yeah. Well played, bro. Actually strong. Strong.
Thank you for playing, bro.
Wrist is fucked.
It's gone.
Okay, who else wanna?
Both of us are gone.
Who else
today.
wanna,
We
like,
haven't played
participate?
a little too much.
You know, I saw a security taking the video of ours and sending it to police. Jobless people, bro. Trust me.
Hey,
jobless
you
people.
can get us like little special permission.
Barley. So what, dude? It's fucking video.
परमिशन नहीं है भाई
Sir, permission नहीं है तो?
परमिशन आप हमसे लेना है
क्यों इधर से लेना हम अंदर नहीं है ना?
मेट्रो का सरफेस है
Sir, ನಾವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Question ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Bro, this is footpath, dude. It is inside. No. What?
ನಿಲ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಮೊದಲು
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈನು? ಸರ್ ಇದು ಮೆಟ್ರೋನಾ ಇದು ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು
ಹಾ
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಫುಟ್ಪಾತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಏಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ ದೇ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್. What areas?
I don't know who are you
Hey guys, we're back after the big scene that happened.
After buying a new pant.
I mean my pant I had to go to Bonkers and get a new pant for myself.
imagine being so
When I got a road to meet this guy. This guy, you know, his grandfather is in the hospital for like a month, bro. He's taken a short trip. And he's the rich ass people. So he's treating us, you know, grilled chicken.
And the bill is just like what, 15 lakhs?
He's treating us grilled chicken. 15 lakhs. So bro, I can't wait. I ordered.
I will get
It's like 11:30 p.m. right now. And it's so sad. But I had a lovely day. Apart from that, fucking securities, you know, interfering our tournament and then to public event. But and then fucking, bro, that was so fun.
There's out.
Yeah, guys, blue chicken is coming. Take one piece like this. Of the meat. Dip. And then.
What is this?
tough boy
Can't keep it straight. Really straight. Ek aur nikalo. I was defeating everyone over there.
So they kicked us out.
Yeah, so they started kicking us out, so we had to fight with them and then...
you should have called boys
I mean, yeah, we were about to call the boys and all, but then just canceled the plan. It was too much of hard work and we just came out.
Guys, here we are at Fortis Hospital. This guy dragged us in.
welcome to my hospital gang
He wants to know, like, he wants us to meet his grandfather.
Sneaking in at 1 o'clock in the night.
It's literally 1 a.m. and we are at Fortis Hospital, bro. I hate the smell of hospital, trust me, bro. It sucks. Shit.
I want to go sleep.
Hey, come, let's go.
which floor you want
I want to sleep so badly.
to drive all the way back to my house, which is like 30 kilometers from here. This guy's been staying in the same hospital for 1 month, bro. He's paying around 15 lakhs. Like, they're fucking making a fool out of him.
than a hotel room.
Fine, I close yours.
24/7 emergency, bro. Like, oh, we have come to the
Canteen, guys.
canteen of Fortis Banagata Hospital. Not gonna lie, canteen over here is like actually too good. The food here is amazing actually. They have Subway and shit. They also have a vending machine. Look at that. And then we have Subway, their own Subway. And then we have the vending machine, bro. Hey, get us something now. Get us sneakers. Get us sneakers. Oh, 304 rupees. Oh.
No,
Yeah.
it's a token number, right?
I know it actually. Oh, this guy, he has pass on all to get.
Pass.
I want sneakers, just sneakers. The strawberry ones. We got the sneakers, bro. Rich man, rich man. I'm not supposed to have sugar. Let's go like this, bro. It's so nice. It's so cinematic. Today I had, I'm not supposed to have junk today, but I had, what was that? Milano, 2 flavors I had. And then I had,
I have this.
that's all sugar. I just had fruit bowls and sandwiches and stuff, which is healthy. And this is gonna be the other one, which is slightly unhealthy.
Is the thing
So
open?
yeah, but it's fine. They have cokes, bro. They have cokes. They have cokes. They have cokes. Shit. I should actually control. I don't want to have junk because Saturday we're going to Namde Hills, so I don't want to use my cheat day today. I want to use that pass like sensibly, bro. I want to make it count. So yeah, got all the chairs up. They have all the chairs up. This is actually locked now, but we have a bit of a gap. Look at this. So when I pull, you have so much gap. So I can actually take one, but I'm waiting for that guy to leave. That guy is cleaning there. So I don't want him to see and fucking catch us. So once he leaves, we're gonna attempt to take one. It'll be crazy, bro. Shit.
The ultimate heist. Successful, guys. Just got that thing.
Guys, we just told this. Oh my god, bro. It's so nice, I know I can buy it, but
I don't know.
doing this is insane, trust me.
Bye bye. Get out of the hospital.
You don't die now. Look at this guy. Successful Fortis heist, bro. We came for this Nescafe. Chill the latte. Crazy.
Anna, please.
Free things taste so good.
Yeah. Hey, look at this guy. Bro, he was talking so much and he's fucking plucking it. Go take one for yourself, there. That's fun, no? Bro, just stole one and look at this guy. He's fucking sipping on it.
I'm running away, bro. Bye bye.
How does it taste,
Bro, the free things taste so good.
Guys, we are in the lounge. It is so quiet. Come. Take that. Take it, bro. Is it? It is so calm. Guys, this is so comfortable, bro. So you don't need to sleep. Oh, chocolate. It's so nice. Hey, what are you guys doing? That fucking assholes. Come to the washroom now. Dude, I covered it. No, I want to be there. Oh shit. Time to see you. Hey, close up.